After I discovered this recipe, I only make pork ribs this way, without frying. I'll start by placing 1 kilogram of pork ribs in a pot with boiling water. Tell me, how do you make pork ribs at your house? I'd love to know your recipe. Cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. After that time, we'll season it. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and lastly, 5 cloves of garlic chopped. I'll cover the pot and let the water reduce. Look, it's already reduced quite a bit. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of pepper sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and mix very well to combine the sauce with the ribs. Look at how our delicious recipe is already turning out. This recipe is a huge success at home. Every time I make it, there's nothing left. Now, I'll add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of water to finish cooking and add a great flavor. I'll cover it and leave it for 5 more minutes. This pork ribs recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. It's ready to serve. I'll sprinkle chive to taste on top. Look how juicy it turned out. Now just enjoy.